In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to download FC26 on PC and laptop. First of all, we need to open any browser, and now to get FC26, we need to search on our browser Steam. So Steam is a games marketplace from where you can download and install games. And once you go to this website, click on install Steam from top. Again click on install Steam, then it will download the Steam setup file. Open that in your files explorer, double tap on the setup file, then follow the process to install Steam. Just select your language, click on next, choose your file path and then hit install, and the Steam will be installed on your computer. Once Steam is installed, open it up. If you already have an account, just sign in. If not, click on create a free account in the bottom right and set one up. Now click on store at the top of Steam, then go to the search bar in the top right and type FC26. You will see the game appear. Click on it. Here you can scroll down, read details about the game and check the current price. Sometimes there are discounts available. When you are ready, press add to cart, then go to view cart and proceed to checkout. Since FC26 is a paid game, select your payment method and confirm your purchase. Once the game is purchased, go to Steam library and under it you will see the FC26 listed here. We just need to select it, then we'll find this install button. We just need to tap on it, then select the installation path. Before you choose it, make sure that your drive have 55 GB storage because this is the size of the game. And to install it, we need to click on install, accept the conditions, and then it will start downloading your game. Once the downloading is finished, the pause button will turn into play button like so. We just need to tap on it and then you can start playing FC26 on your laptop or PC. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.